Bank of Canada to release baseline projections in October. The Bank of Canada BOC has confirmed it will publish baseline projections for the economy and inflation in October, a move aimed at providing clearer guidance to markets, businesses, and households. The announcement came through minutes of the central bank's latest meeting, reflecting its efforts to balance transparency with ongoing global uncertainties. Clearer outlook. In recent years, the BOC often avoided issuing precise baseline forecasts, instead presenting ranges of possible outcomes due to heightened uncertainty. Trade tensions and shifting U.S. tariff policies created significant unpredictability for the Canadian economy. With tariffs now relatively stable, policymakers believe conditions allow for a more definitive projection of growth and inflation trends. This shift toward baseline projections signals the bank's commitment to clearer communication. Such forecasts help businesses and consumers plan with greater confidence and bring Canada's practices closer to those of other major central banks. Policy actions. The bank recently cut its key policy rate to 2.5% to support economic growth amid slowing global demand, weak business investment, and the lingering effects of trade disruptions. According to the minutes, the risk of inflation overshooting has eased as companies have passed on fewer cost increases to consumers than expected. Nonetheless, the bank remains cautious. Inflation remains a central concern, and growth prospects continue to face pressure from weak investment and household spending constraints. Risks still present. While the outlook is somewhat more stable, the BOC acknowledged that risks persist. Global demand is softening, Canadian households face higher living costs, and business sentiment remains subdued. External shocks such as renewed trade disputes or geopolitical tensions could still alter the trajectory. The upcoming October projections are expected to offer a clearer central path for inflation and growth, but will remain subject to evolving conditions. Market implications. Markets will closely monitor the October release. If projections show inflation easing, investors may expect further rate cuts. Conversely, signs of persistent inflation could push the bank to act more cautiously. For businesses and households, these projections will provide a valuable roadmap for navigating an uncertain economic environment. Conclusion: the Bank of Canada's decision to issue baseline forecasts represents an important step toward greater transparency and predictability in monetary policy. While challenges remain, this move signals confidence in providing a clearer picture of Canada's economic path. All attention will now turn to October when the bank unveils its much-anticipated outlook.